Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 19. This is Section 2.6, Problem 19. It says subtract the fractions, and we have 40 over 3 minus 13 over 3. So, because the denominators are the same in both fractions in my question, I get to keep that same denominator in my answer. In this case, it's 3. So now I can just subtract the numerators, 40 minus 13. So I can see that the answer is 27, but maybe you think it's 27, you're not really sure. So let's do the subtraction, 40 minus 13, one numerator minus the other numerator. So when you start in the right-hand column, 0 minus 3, the 3 is too big to subtract from the 0. So we'll borrow from the 40, make it a 3, and make that 0 into a 10. Now, 10 minus 3 is 7, and then in the other column of digits, 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is 27. So my answer is 27 over 3. Now that's an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. I can see that it'll reduce pretty nicely. Let's say you don't notice right away. So you say, well, let's make it back into a mixed number. So we'll do the denominator of 3 divides into the numerator of 27 how many times? Well, it fits in exactly 9 times with no remainder. 9 times 3 is 27. It goes in perfectly. So 27 over 3 reduces to just 9. The final answer is 9.